Hello.
because he don't want
Because
that
George and Harris were disturbing
he
him.
only work and his other friends
Wait.
just rest on the sofa.
Anuj answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am,
Hello.
the narrator became angry after starting packing because he don't he wa- this was not he intended. He wanted that he should boss the he wanted to boss the job and George and Harris should potter about. But they
Yes.
just started relaxing and he had to do all the packing.
Yes, very good. When the narrator started the packing, his intention was that he should boss the job and his other two friends, George and Harris, should work under his instructions. But nothing of this sort happened. Once he started the packing, what happened? George and Harris, they just started relaxing. They just sat on the sofa. And this made the narrator very angry. He had to do all the work. And finally, when the narrator had finished the packing, what happened that made him more angry?
What is that? Ain't you are going to
Hello?
pack my boots?
Yes. Someone else answer? Hello? Anuj, you have already answered, I think, now.
Okay,
Someone
ma'am.
else should. Who will answer? Advait Pandey, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am. What's the question?
Question is, once the narrator finished the packing, the narrator volunteered to do the packing. He was also very angry because his other two friends were relaxing, not helping him, not working under his instruction. So finally, he finished the packing. But after that, again, he got more angry. What was the reason of his anger after he finished the packing?
Because when he packed the bag, uh, he he wanted he had to check whether he has kept the boots inside the bag or not.
Yes. Yes, very good. He after he had closed the strap of the bag, then his friend reminded him that you haven't packed my boots. हाँ narrator का क्या expectation था कि even if I forgot it, you should have told me before I close the straps and all. After the strap has been closed, then he told him about it. Okay. Aman Prasad Chaudhary. Aman, can you hear me? Aman?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So my question is, what is the one thing that troubled the narrator the most while packing? Which one thing gave him the most trouble while एक चीज था जो नरेटर को बहुत ट्रक करता था कोई भी वो पैकिंग करते समय what's that thing?
May I answer?
Ma'am, may I?
किसने पहले बोला था मे आई टेल योर नेम
Ma'am, Advait.
निर्भय
Ma'am, Advait.
ओके अद्वित आंसर
Ma'am, toothbrush.
अद्वित आंसर
Ma'am, toothbrush
yes
gave.
how did the toothbrush trouble him
He always forget.
yes
He always
can
forgets
you
to keep a
explain it
toothbrush.
he always forgot to keep the toothbrush and
And he always forget to keep.
once what had happened is that when he went downstairs with his luggage then he remembered and then he had to empty all the content of the bag and then uh, he found out that the toothbrush was in the woods. So toothbrush is one thing which gives him the most trouble while packing. So one thing more I want to tell you, your Sunday test portion is a house is not a home. This chapter, I think, has not come in the Sunday test yet. So a house is not a home is the portion of the Sunday test. And tomorrow you come prepared with the chapter. We can do some revision.
Ma'am, which chapter?
So आज का a house is not a home. It is coming in the Sunday test, and you come prepared with the chapter. Today's homework is to revise that chapter so that we can ask. I can ask oral questions from that chapter. A house is not a home. ठीक है. So okay. So toothbrush is the thing that scares him more. So can you say that George and Harris were good packers? What happened once they started the packing? Okay, Pragya, you want to answer? Pragya?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you say that George and Harris are good packers? If not, how? They were not
Ma'am,
good
they are not a
packers.
good packer because they scattered the things, they break cups, they packed the strawberry jam on the top of the tomato and squashed it.
Okay. Okay, yes. They were not at all good packers. Why? Because once they started the packing, they started with the breaking of the things. And then they put all the delicate things at the bottom and put heavy things on the top, because of which the tomatoes got spoiled. So we can say that George and Harris were not good packers. What kind of dog was Montmorency and how did he create trouble in packing? On answer karega. Harshita, what's you want to answer? Harshita, what's? Harshita, you hear me? Harshita, Srishti Raj? Srishti? Srishti? No. Okay, who wants to answer? What kind of dog was Montmorency? And how did he create trouble in packing?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, yes. Shreyasi.
He
Okay,
was a
answer.
mischievous dog. Montmorency was a mischievous dog. His ambition in his life was to get away and to be scorned at all. If he can swim in anywhere where he could particularly is not wanted, can be a perfect nuisance and made people mad. He wanted things thrown at his head, and if it is not done, he feels that his day got wasted. To get somebody to stumble over him
Okay,
and
yes.
curse him steadily for an hour is his highest aim. When he has succeeded accomplishing this, conceit became quite unbearable. He came and sat down on things just when they were wanted to pack. He labored under the fixed belief. Harris and George reached out of their hand for anything.
Yes, Montmorency was a very troublesome dog, very mischievous, and he felt that his day was successful only when he was scolded and cursed. जब तक कोई मॉन्टमोरेंसी को मारे नहीं, जब तक उसे गाली नहीं दे, जब तक उसे स्कोल्ड नहीं करे, तब तक मॉन्टमोरेंसी का दिन सफल नहीं होता है. So what is Montmorency's aim in life? Montmorency's aim in life is just to disturb people, just to create nuisance, and then be scolded and abused. Just like a few students who do in the online classes. Their aim is just to have fun, thrill and adventure by disturbing the class. So Montmorency was also like those students. He got lot of excitement by creating trouble. And what did he do? He went and sat on the things that were to be packed. जो चीज को पैक करना था वो उसी पे जाके बैठ जाता था. And then he also put his leg in the bottle of the jam. And then finally, he had to be scared away with the frying pan. You can see in the picture, George is scaring and trying to beat Montmorency with the frying pan. He irritated George so much that George could not control his anger. So, okay. How did the packing of the butter create trouble for the friends? Who will answer? Packing of the butter. How did it create trouble? Priyanshu Raj, you want to answer? Priyanshu? Srishti Raj?
Ma'am.
Srishti? Anuj?
Yes,
किसने
ma'am.
पूछा? अच्छा आंसर करो जो भी. Okay.
The butter created
Okay,
it trouble
answer.
because Harris trod on the butter and the butter just stuck on his sleeper and the butter start stacking up everywhere. They can't remove the butter from his sleeper, and then finally they removed it and put it on a chair, and then George
स्लीपर
sat on
में
that
चिपक
chair.
पहले वो पीछे उसके चिपक गया था ना.
Yes, ma'am.
He sat on the butter. The butter stuck to his back. And they kept on searching the whole room. The butter was kept on the chair. And
Yes, ma'am.
he sat on the butter and the butter got stuck on his back. And then the two friends kept on searching the whole room. अब बटर तो पीछे चिपका हुआ था, मिलता कहाँ उनको. And they searched in the whole room and finally they saw that the butter was stuck. And after that, even George trod on the butter. Trod means what? What is the meaning of trod?
To
TROD,
step
trod
on,
means क्या होता है?
Stepped.
उसके ऊपर पैर रख देना.
You have to stamp, put your foot on something. Trod means to put your foot on something. So, okay. Okay. Okay, now we can do some grammar. ये तो So there are some MCQ questions from packing. ये है. He put his leg into the jam and he worried the teaspoons and he pretended that the lemons were rats and got so from the chapters you will get extract based questions also. You know the question pattern, extract based marks का extract based question आया to the jam and spoons and he pretended that the lemons were rats and got into the hamper and killed 3 of them. ये मॉन्टमोरेंसी की एक बदमाशी है. लेमन को उसने रैट समझ के और 3 लेमन को बर्बाद कर दिया. Before Harris could land him with a frying pan. फिर हैरिस इतना गुस्सा हो गया कि फ्राइंग पैन से उसे मारने के लिए दौड़ा. Who is he in the above lines? He put his
Montmorency.
Montmorency.
Yes, very clear. This he refers to Montmorency. What did he do in the midst of packing? Midst मतलब बीच में. Packing के बीच में उसने क्या किया? Sat at the corner, fetched things when they were required, notified when anything was left, created chaos.
Created
What did
chaos.
He created chaos.
he created chaos? कॉर्नर में तो नहीं बैठा था. सामान पैकिंग में हेल्प भी नहीं कर रहा था कि सामान जाके ले आए फेच करें. कुछ छूट गया तो वो भी इन्फॉर्म नहीं कर रहा था. नॉट नोटिफाइड व्हेन सो ही वाज जस्ट क्रिएटिंग chaos. How did he treat the lemons?
Like rats.
Straightforward.
Right.
Like that.
Like rats. Like rats. What effect did he create on Harris? Love,
Anger.
irritation, anger. Okay.
Anger.
One question you will get vocabulary based. जो आपका 5 क्वेश्चन आएगा चैप्टर के बीच से कुछ लाइन देके उसमें एक जो है vocabulary based क्वेश्चन रहेगा. That is why I tell you to learn the word meanings. Which word in the extract means imagined?
Pretended.
Worried, pretended.
Pretended.
Yes, worried तो हो नहीं सकता है. Worried मतलब चिंता करना. Hamper is a basket. Hamper. So word is pretended. Okay. Then, of course, I found George and Harris 18 times. Of course, I found George and Harris 18 times over, but I couldn't find my own. I put things back one by one and held everything up and shook it. Then I found it inside a boot. I repacked once more. Why did Jerome feel the need to reopen his bag?
He
First
forgot
option
to
is
pack his brush.
tobacco pouch in it. He forgot to put his toothbrush. He wanted to find his boots. He couldn't pack properly. Which
He
is the
forgot
correct
to
option?
pack his toothbrush.
Yes. Yes, the correct
forgot
answer
to
is
pack
the
his
first
toothbrush.
option. Yes, he forgot to pack his toothbrush. Option number 1.
Ma'am, second.
Ma'am,
It's
second
option
option.
2.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am,
बोलो
it
कुछ
is
पूछना.
second
his
option.
toothbrush.
हाँ
Ma'am,
बोलो.
ये second option है.
ये फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है. Screen is not moving. What has happened? एक दो ही पेज था क्या? ये तो I can do this. The recent theft of a valuable painting by Corot from the Louvre once again had raised, is raising, will raise. This screen is visible to all of you? Hello?
Is raising.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes,
Screen
ma'am.
is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Screen is
It's
visible.
little bit hazy, not very clear. 2-4 word hazy है, बाकी तो सब ठीक है. The recent theft of a valuable painting by Corot from the Louvre once again.
Ma'am, is raising.
Is raising.
Once again.
Ma'am, is raising.
That's the question of security. नहीं होगा.
Ma'am, had raised.
Para raised or had raised or simply raised.
Ma'am,
Option C,
had
raised.
is in past form.
Ma'am, the paragraph is in present form.
पहला had raised है और दूसरा raises है. Had raised, raises है C, तो had raised ही होगा. हाँ, option number 1 had raised. Okay.
Ma'am, but has is used in past form.
Had is used in past form, तो raises तो होगा नहीं, जो C option है. Is raising नहीं हो. क्योंकि ये तो it is a past incident in the recent theft. Maybe the options in the sample paper is wrong then. कभी कभी printing error sample paper में भी होता है. अच्छा चलो we'll do this. ये narration बनाते हैं इसको. Okay, read the following conversation and complete the passage given below. Customer, can I have a small bottle of tomato sauce? So here, the customer asked the shopkeeper. Options are if he could have a small bottle, if he can have a small bottle, if he could have a small bottle of tomato sauce, if he could had a small bottle of tomato sauce.
If he could had a.
Ma'am, last option.
He could.
Yes,
हाँ?
ma'am. Last option.
नहीं, could
Ma'am, last
के साथ had नहीं यूज करेंगे ना. बताए तो थे मॉडल्स. किसी भी मॉडल के साथ पास्ट टेंस नहीं होता है. कैन वेंट नहीं बोलते हैं. यहाँ कुड के साथ हैड यूज नहीं होगा.
So third one.
Yes, third option is the correct one. If he could have, so you have to remember that you cannot use could and had together. If he could have a small bottle of tomato sauce. So here the third option is correct. Sorry, I have only big bottles. The shopkeeper said that he has only big bottles, that he had kept only big bottles, that he had only big bottles, that he has big bottles. He has only big bottles.
He had only big bottles. Ma'am, second one.
Yes. Yes. Option B is correct. That he had only big bottles. I have. So have will change to had. Have will change to had, and I will change to he. He had only big bottles. The shopkeeper, when will it be available? इसको खुद से ही
When
बना
would it
लो.
be available?
ऑप्शन
Ma'am,
यहाँ दिख नहीं रहा. When
would it available?
When it would be available. नहीं, would it नहीं होगा, बताए थे ना वर्ड ऑर्डर चेंज होता है, कल भी हुआ था, was जो है पास लास्ट में आया था, when it would be available. So will change to would, it will come first and would will come next. When it would be available. That is okay. So today I'm going to send you one whole sample paper in your WhatsApp and you can practice that. As I told you yesterday also, 40 marks MCQ questions you are going to get. 40 marks MCQ, 40 marks subjective. इस ईयर से पैटर्न चेंज हुआ है. ऐसे ही MCQ क्वेश्चंस सब ये में MCQ क्वेश्चंस है, राइटिंग छोड़ करके. राइटिंग में नहीं है. राइटिंग 10 मार्क्स का है, 5 मार्क्स का डिस्क्रिप्टिव पैसेज या डायरी एंट्री, और 5 मार्क्स का स्टोरी राइटिंग है. तो स्टोरी राइटिंग में मार्क्स कम हो गया है, तो word limit has also decreased. Now you have to write short story, 100 to 120 words. So you have to write short story because marks has decreased, the length of the story also has decreased. So earlier 10 marks questions, in 10 marks questions story writing, the word limit was 200 to 250 words. Now you have 100 to 120 words and the question will carry 5 marks. And one change is that in the reading section also one visual will be given. रीडिंग पैसेज में भी कुछ विजुअल है और उस पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस है. कोई भी पिक्चर एक दिया रहेगा या ग्राफ बार, कोई भी पिक्चर और उस पर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. Today what's the time? So today I will send you the sample paper. I'm sending it to you right now, so you can solve it and as homework, and then we will discuss the answers. Okay. Okay. So now you are going to get extract based questions, then शॉर्ट टाइप में 2 तरह के क्वेश्चन आएंगे, 20 to 30 वर्ड्स के क्वेश्चन और 40 to 50 वर्ड्स के क्वेश्चन. 20 to 30 words will carry 2 marks and 40 to 50 words will carry 3 marks. And then you will have long type question which will carry 5 marks. 5. एक long type beehive से और एक long type moment से. तो लिटरेचर में मार्क्स बढ़ गया है. अब तुम लोग का 80 मार्क्स का जो पेपर है उसमें 40 मार्क्स सिर्फ लिटरेचर के लिए है. तो चैप्टर सब अच्छे से पढ़ लेना. 50% वेटेज जो है वो लिटरेचर को दिया गया. 20 मार्क्स का रीडिंग और 10 मार्क्स का ग्रामर, 10 मार्क्स का राइटिंग, और बाकी जो 40 मार्क्स हमारा रह गया वो सारा लिटरेचर से है. So accordingly you prepare, and tomorrow all of you read the chapter packing. Some of you don't answer questions at all. Aman, I called out his name.
Is not a home.
House is not a home. आज भी मैंने 3-4 नाम बुलाया, किसी ने रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं किया. So you have to be active, you have to answer. Only few students repeatedly keep on answering. Everyone has to answer. Okay, so I'm ending today's class. Tomorrow you be prepared with the chapter A House is Not a Home, that is coming in your Sunday test also. And don't think that it's not necessary to read the chapters. Final exam will be offline. No scope of unfair means. So it is better you be sincere and start preparing nicely. Okay, bye all of you. I'm ending today. सैंपल पेपर मैं भेज दूंगी, तुम लोग देख के सॉल्व करना कि प्रैक्टिस रहे. ओके, ओके, बाय.